butter, salt, pepper, tons of mayo. Got a burger I made with tons of cheese, mayo, and sauce, beans, mac, some pickles. Yeah. Hope you guys like this. I fucking love barbecue. These need to go. Who are we kidding? Let's get those out of here. Yeah. There we go. Look at that. I'm not trying to be perverted. I just love it mixed in. Here we go. I have to get close. Best corn I've ever had is from my garden. I'm gonna be as close as possible because I love to eat like nobody's watching. Whoa. Here we go. Suck that. Here we go. Last little bit. Hot mess. Here we go. Last little bit. Look at my little bat wings. A little bit of my burger left. I'm not gonna go all out with it. Alright, my burger. Oh, I don't know what you guys like. I know you guys like this. I know you love this. Here we go. Mm.